Get a feel for the 2018 Honda Civic. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Experience the perfection that is the Civic Sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, heated rear seat, power passenger seat. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic Sedan. All it needs is you.